In this video, I share the guaranteed way for you to start a side hustle business if you're working either part-time or full-time, so that you can get started on your financial dreams. My name is David Michelson. I help aspiring entrepreneurs start a business and get a minimum of $1,000 in 90 days. I guarantee that it works, or it's free. And so at the time of watching this video, I've helped my last 4 to 5 clients generate about $5,000, and that number is increasing every day. You can check out my website below to see how much it's at right now. But this is not meant to be a plug. It's just to show you why I'm making this video, why I believe I'm qualified for it, and why you should keep watching. If you've got a job, whether it's part-time or full-time, you're busy. You're spending time at work, it's exhausting. The last thing you probably want to do is think about starting a business as well. But let me ask you a question. What is the life you're living worth to you if it doesn't change? If you continue your life as it is right now into the next 5 years, into the next 10 years, into the next 20 years, if nothing changes, you earn the same, you're in the same job, in the same role, are you going to be fulfilled doing that? Are you really certain that you're not going to look back on that life and have regrets? Not necessarily only because of the financial aspect, but because you'll know that you have the potential to do more, to try and build something that was yours, that you started. I know for me, I have to do that. And so I also have a part-time job right now, but I'm spending all of my other hours making this business succeed. And you obviously don't have to do the same, but I want to help you understand that you have the option. It is very much possible. This video will teach you how to do it. And so to do that, I'll take you through 5 different steps. If you complete these 5 steps, you will end up with a profitable side hustle. And then at some point, you can probably quit your job and then go full-time with your new side hustle and turn it into a full business if you want to, or you can just continue with it as a second stream of income if you prefer it that way. That's completely up to you. There are no rules in this game. It is all about the life you want to live and your priorities. That's the beautiful thing. And so step number 1 is adjusting your expectations. It is shifting your mindset. You don't need the big $1 million idea or the big $1 million business for your situation to be different. Let me give you an example. If you just solve a $500 problem for 10 people, you've already made $5,000. And I'm guessing that if you're interested in a video like this, then getting an extra $5,000 a month is probably going to be a big deal to you. And so what if it was just at that level? Wouldn't that be a big change in your life? And wouldn't that be worth trying? So what I want you to understand is that if you have the expectation that you need the idea for the next Facebook or the next OpenAI, then you're leaving a lot of valuable, smaller, simpler ideas on the table that could still change your life drastically. I'm saying this because I was in that situation. I thought I needed the perfect idea, and it held me back for multiple years. I didn't get started because I thought, well, I don't have anything I can do. But that was completely wrong. And it wasn't until I just got started and continued to work on one idea that I committed to that it ended up working out. So that is why I'm saying the same thing to you. It is find something that you can do. It is that you don't need the perfect idea. If you wait for that, chances are you will wait forever. And I don't want that for you. Now, step number 2 is pick a high ROI hustle, meaning that you choose something where you spend a bunch of time on it and it provides you with a great outcome. So let's say you're selling t-shirts. Most t-shirts, not all of them, of course, but most t-shirts are not that expensive. Whereas on the other hand, you could have a coaching program or course or some kind of digital product, and you might have to spend the same amount of effort trying to convince someone to buy either or, but you're getting a much higher return on the digital asset or the service because it is based on a result and not just a physical product. And so how can you turn that into tactical, actionable advice? Well, choose something that fits your schedule. Obviously, besides your job, whether it's part-time or full-time, you need something that can actually fit with the schedule you already have. Other than that, choose something that is extremely cheap or free to get started with. Maybe you just need a website. Maybe you just need a social platform. Choose something where you don't have to pay a lot to get started. And so the third actionable item is consider what is something that you could start selling quickly. Because an app might be a great idea, but it might take you a long time to make an app. So an app might be a bad choice for you if you don't have the experience or the know-how or all of the best practices for quickly developing and marketing an app successfully. And so 3 obvious choices are freelancing work where you do something for someone, coaching or consulting, where you help someone get a specific result. And lastly, digital products, whether that's an ebook, a video, a course. In essence, you just have to be able to make it once, and then you can redistribute it over and over and over with no additional cost for you. Step number 3 is build your minimum viable product, or what I like to call a version 1, in your weekend. So sit down in your weekend, write down who's it for, what does it solve, what do they want to pay for it, how much does it cost. That's all you need. You need a problem and you need a solution that is worth paying for. If you have that, you're ready to start testing it out and selling to people. That's all you need for your business model. So after this, set up whatever schedule service you need. If you need any kind of schedule service, otherwise just call people or text people, meet up with people. Keep it as simple as absolutely possible, but spend your weekend making sure that you're ready to now get your first customers. Now, how do you get your first customers? So step 4 is getting your first 5 customers, because without customers and sales, you don't have a business. You don't even have a side hustle. And how do you get those people? Look at all your follow lists or your subscriptions or your friends on your social platforms, your contact list, your email list, and you reach out to 100 people as a minimum every day for at least 100 days. If you're thinking that's a lot, well, yes, welcome to business. On the other hand, you can quickly, doing this work, realize what it takes and how quickly you learn doing it. It is worth the time and the effort 1,000 times over. And it teaches you how much work you actually have to do to get the results you imagine. Now, if you reach out to that many people, you're probably going to get a lot of responses at some point. And if you have a part-time or full-time job, then responding to those messages may prove difficult to you. But fear not, it is simple. What you do is you simply allocate a little bit of time whenever you have a break to respond to a couple of messages. Make sure you set up the calls in your free time. You find a way to make it work. Maybe you have to get up a little earlier. Maybe you have to go to bed a little later. If you don't want to do that, remind yourself why it is that you want to start the side hustle. It is for a reason. It is not just because it's fun to have more money. It's because you want to do something with the money. And so how important is it for you to create the side hustle and potentially the business and to have that financial freedom? Is it because you want to help your family? Is it because you want to pay off bills or debt? Is it because you want to create new opportunities that have never been in your family before? Those are the reasons that you stick it out, okay? It is not just because the money in and of itself is fun. That doesn't matter. At least for me, it doesn't. The people you can help and the things you can do with the money that makes it worth it. So set time aside to respond to your messages, because that is the most important thing for you to convert those potential customers into actual customers. If you're listening to this thinking, but I don't know what I'm doing, I'm completely new to this, start doing it for free initially. And then once you've proven it to 3 or 5 people, gotten testimonials for your work, then you can start charging for it. And then you will feel much more comfortable trying to sell your service or your digital products, because you have proof that you've done the thing before. Trust me, I know that because I've spent the last 2 years doing this just for free. And I know how much it's benefited me. I know how secure and convinced I feel with my service now. It is worth all of the time that goes into it. You just have to be willing to stick that short period out first. So lastly, step number 5 is find a routine that works for you. You already have your product, you have your service. You know you need to reach out to people to get your customers. And until you get a significant amount of money from those customers, that's all you need to know. Reach out to the people you know. And when you have no more people that you know, you start reaching out to people you don't know. Simple as that. Of course, stay compliant with whatever regulations you have to stay compliant with, but it doesn't have to be more complicated than that. Because if you make it more complicated, you won't start. And wouldn't that be a shame when you know you have the potential to do great and you want more than what you have right now? And so part of my motivation for making this video is that you don't need to quit your job to start your business. You can do both at the same time and then quit once you have a business that's working. And then you won't be left 3 months or 5 months or a year or 2 years being unemployed, going into debt because you were trying to start the business. Now you have something that can pay your bills that you can then scale from there. And wouldn't that be a much more ideal scenario than starting from nothing and having to figure it out while you also need to worry about paying your bills? I think taking the sacrifice of maybe serving fewer people or earning a little bit less in your business in that period, but then being able to scale quickly, but having much better chances of actually making it are so much more valuable. And I hope you see that as well. It is possible for you to start. And if you just take one day at a time, learn every day, try to get better at what you do, and serve your customers better and better and better, then you really can't lose. As Hormozi also says, you either win or you quit before you win. And I think that's so true. That's what I found. If you keep going for long enough without making too risky bets or having consequences that are too costly for you, you can't lose. Because what do you lose from? You try something and it doesn't work. Okay, you try again. That's literally all you need. And those who are willing to accept that and just get started and then go follow that train and follow that path, they're the ones who make it. But unfortunately, 98% of you watching this won't take action on it, which is a huge shame because you have the potential. And now if you want actual help in starting yourself, as I mentioned, I help aspiring entrepreneurs get started. I have no idea by what time I'll be releasing this video, so maybe I'll have open spots for the next round of the clients I help on a one-to-one basis. If not, there'll be a link for the waiting list. But if you just want free help and something where you can, still get a bunch of materials, then I've taken all of my templates, all of my scripts, all of my documents, all of my videos that I use in my one-on-one coaching. And I've made a free course that requires no commitment, and you can get started in 30 seconds. You get essentially all of the same things. You just don't get the one-on-one meetings, you don't get the accountability, and you don't get the guarantees. I just want you to start, whether you do it with my help or not. I just want more people to take a chance on their dreams and to try and start a business, because it's such a great feeling. You are actually creating something from bottom up and seeing the person you are grow while you're doing that and see how it contributes to the world. It's just a wonderful thing to see and experience. And I want more people to have that opportunity. So at least just get started for free if you don't want to pay anything right now. And I understand that. It's completely fair. That's why I made the course. So go join that if you want to get started now. It takes just 30 seconds and you literally get almost everything in there. Of course, no guarantees, but you can still get it very, very far. If you like this video, please leave a comment saying what do you think is the most challenging thing about starting a business, or what's primarily holding you back, or if there's a specific type of video you would like to see me make. Thank you for watching and stay disciplined.